What if I told you that a single trading decision today could completely transform your financial future? Sounds dramatic, right? But let's be real. With 2025's volatile markets, the stakes have never been higher. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of trading, you're not alone. Stick around, because today, I'm revealing the top 3 beginner-friendly trading strategies that could set you on the path to financial independence. Ready to take control of your money? Let's dive in. Setting the stage. Why trading in 2025 is unique. Before we dive into the strategies, let's talk about why 2025 is a game changer for trading. From AI-driven market analysis to tighter regulations in the crypto space, the landscape is shifting fast. Here's the kicker. Beginners now have access to tools that were once exclusive to Wall Street pros. But with great power comes great responsibility. Misusing these tools can drain your account faster than a viral TikTok trend fades. Let's explore the strategies that can help you trade smart in this new era. Strategy 1. Dollar cost averaging. Our first strategy is dollar cost averaging, or DCA. It's simple, effective, and perfect for beginners. Here's how it works. Instead of investing a lump sum, you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. Why? Because it reduces the risk of buying at the wrong time. Something even seasoned traders mess up. Imagine this. You're at an amusement park, and instead of betting everything on one game, you spread your tokens across different rides. You win some, you lose some, but you're never wiped out. Now, here's the exciting part. Studies show that DCA often outperforms trying to time the market over the long run. If you're worried about the next big crash, DCA has your back. Oh, and quick question. Do you know how many of the top investors swear by this method? Spoiler alert, it's a lot. But more on that later. What if there was a way to profit in both rising and falling markets? Strategy 2. But here's the warning. Swing trading demands discipline. If you act on impulse, the market will punish you. That said, mastering this strategy can lead to consistent gains. A quick tip. Focus on industries or stocks that you understand. You wouldn't buy a surfboard without knowing how to swim, right? Speaking of swimming, can we develop a strategy that works even if you hate staring at charts? What if you could trade with minimal effort and still build wealth? Strategy 3. ETF investing. Finally, we have ETF investing. ETF, or exchange-traded funds, are like a buffet of investments. Instead of buying individual stocks, you invest in a collection that tracks an index, sector, or theme. Why does this matter? Because ETFs offer instant diversification, reducing your risk without requiring deep market knowledge. Here's an example. If you believe tech will dominate in 2025, you could invest in a tech-focused ETF. It's low maintenance and cost-effective, ideal for beginners who don't want to micromanage their portfolios. Think of it as a set-it-and-forget-it approach, with the potential for steady growth. But don't confuse simplicity with laziness. The right ETF can outperform even the savviest individual stock picks over time. Ready to hear how these strategies fit together? Resolution. How to start and why you can't wait. By now, you've got 3 powerful strategies to choose from. Here's the deal. You don't have to pick just one. Many successful traders combine these methods to maximize returns. Start small, stay consistent, and learn as you go. Remember, the market rewards patience and punishes greed. The worst thing you can do is nothing. Opportunities in 2025 won't wait, and neither should you. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Money Mind for more actionable trading tips. Don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy trading! Now, I've got something that ties all of this together. Ever wonder how to analyze stocks like a pro or avoid beginner pitfalls? Check out my next video where I break down the top mistakes traders make and how to dodge them. Click on the screen to watch now and take your trading game to the next level. See you there.